Yo, what's up YouTube, this is technical side in here in today's video. So today we're gonna show you how to remove your vocal from any track or remove your instrument from any track in these websites with the most easiest way. Just follow me guys, no need any software, no need anything, just using this AI website. It's called vocal remover. You will find this link in the description. It's called vocalremover.org. As you may see, here you get the remover option, and here the splitter option, and here the picture, and here to find the BPM key, and here the cursor option, the joiner, the recorder if you want to start recording in the Karaoke. We're gonna stick with the remover option. Just easy guys, press the browse my files. I'm gonna show you in this track. Here it is. With some time, the audio is processing right now. It's up to your internet connection. I have a little bit slow connection, that's why it takes too long. Alright guys, it gives you the BPM key, and the key is E minor. Now we'll hear the track. Remove this.
We all pretend to be fine, pretend to be fine, and honesty
keep the only
is to ease your mind. Pretend to be fine. Let's get together sometime. I promise to ease your mind.
now whatever you want. If you want only the music, if you want only the vocal, volume up this. Well, this is for this video guys. I hope you enjoy this and like it. If if you have anything to say, just drop it in the comment section below. I will see you in another video, guys. Bye.